Guys, this is how you can buy Telegram stars to boost any kind of project you are mining. Now it has become paramount now. Virtually all airdrops are asking for either ton transaction or stars to boost your rating. So I've been receiving these questions on how they can buy stars, how they can do this and that. I will be showing you the best way you can get it done, very easiest way, even at cheaper rate, because some people has been saying they buy it through Google Play, they use their ATM to buy it. Let me just show you the cheapest way to do it. As you can see, I'm on major app, you understand, I'm on major project, but what I'll be using is from our ton keeper. Let me go to my ton keeper. What we'll be doing is from our ton keeper, you understand. So let me log into my ton keeper. Our ton keeper is where we'll be buying our stars at a very cheaper rate, you know, understand, and straightforward. You know, some people are even having challenges of they use their ATM to pay, they got debited, but at the end of the day they don't get what they pay for. So with this now, it's very straightforward, you understand, very straightforward. So let my ton keeper come up. Yes, so now this is my ton keeper, you understand. Now what do we need to go do? See this browser area, we'll click on it, we'll go to browser area, then we locate fragment.com. We'll locate it, we'll get it, we'll locate it. As you can see, this is fragment. Let me click on it. So you can see it, this is fragment.com. Excuse me, before you go, make sure you have money on your wallet. As you can see, make sure you have money on your ton, especially your ton, because we'll be using ton to purchase it. So now let's go to our browser, let's go to fragment.com. As you can see, this is fragment.com. First of all, we need to connect our ton keeper, which is our wallet. I'll click on this space, you can see connect ton. So I'm going to click on it. So connect wallet, I'm going to activate. So as you can see, it has been connected successfully. Can you see it? It's no more there. So now what do we do? How do we buy it? As you can see, this is stars. You click on stars. Now the first thing you need to know is to get the username of the Telegram handle you are buying for. Telegram username is different from your Telegram name. You understand? Let me use this as a case study. Let's say this person, and I'm buying stars for the person. I'll have to input the username, or let's say particularly, you can buy for yourself, you can buy for anybody, you understand. You can even start selling for people that need it. So let's say this particular username, I'm going to click on search. Once I click on search, can you see this is the username is different from the name on the account. Can you see the name on the account? Can you see? Now you can buy from 50 stars to million stars. Can you see? Enter the amount of stars you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 100 stars. Then you click on buy stars. You understand? You click on buy stars, select from whichever one you want to buy. Let's say this. Then you click on buy stars. Once you click on buy star, the star will be sent to the username. But for me, I'm not buying stars, I don't need it, I'm not selling stars. So once you click on this, although it's still going to ask you to confirm the transaction, can you see, just like this, if I should swap it now, it means I've sent stars to the person. I'm sending 50 stars at this rate. Now for you that have been using ATM to buy it, you can copy in the price now. You understand? Once I click on it, it will be go. That is how to buy stars from your Telegram, from your ton keeper. Very easy and straightforward. Then the next to it is premium Telegram. Let's say you want to join Telegram premium. Just come to this premium. You see, you can buy Telegram premium for a user, just like the way we did. You put in the username here, then you buy this for a year, 3 months, 6 months. You see the cost. So that is how to buy stars. That's it. Very simple and straightforward. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your friend, let them benefit from this as well. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.